Maggie in front.
And Kay's behind the camera.
And this is our latest album that we've done. We did at Wansford last weekend. And this is using the flower market papers from Graphic 45. So that's the front cover. We cut a little frame into it. That's the spine. And then that's the back there. So when we open this up, you've got some pockets here. And we used a combination of the 8x8 pad and patterns and solids. And then on here, you've got an acetate tuck spot for photos and things. Then that opens up. You've got another pocket there. You've got a 4x4 cutting photo mat there. That's from our larger set. You've got a vertical pocket there. And then carrying on, you've got a horizontal pocket and another one there. And then here, this is an image cut out from the papers. This is actually another pocket just in there, in that carnation bit. Lift the butterfly up and it opens out. And you've got a tuck spot there, and you've got another little pocket there. And then here, you've got a pocket there, and you've also got a dimensional tuck spot there to hold things in place. And then on here, you've got another little cut-in photo mat, and another one, a little pocket, and another one, and then you've got another tuck spot there with a straight slot. And I'm really annoyed because I cut that skew width, despite alignment notches. Okay, that's the circle photo slots. And then just a little tuck spot here, diagonal one, picking up the papers from there. And then in here, you've got another horizontal pockets. And you had loads of papers left over after this, so you could do lots more with it. And that's it.
It's a nice little album, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I like the papers.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.